Hi there, awesome learners! Welcome to our super fun and exciting adventure to become alphabet masters! In today's awesome video, we're going to have a total blast as we dive into each magical letter of the alphabet.
Hey wait, this is not a cartoon channel video. But today in this video I will show how you can create this type of cartoon videos and you can open your own cartoon channel for kids learning. So let's move to the screen and let's see how we can create this type of video. So to create this video we have to go with 4 steps. First we will generate the content for the video. Next we will create voiceover with the content. Third, we will create animated character with voice synchronize. Lastly, we will gather everything and create the video. So let's move to the first part, that is creating content. So at first we will generate the content for our video. Now let's go to ChatGPT and then log in the ChatGPT. So from by ChatGPT we will gather the content. So continue with the Google and we will continue with our Google account. Then select the Google account and then here we will give the prompt. Okay, now let's say introduction intro. Just we will take this generator. So here say, are you ready to embark on the wild and exciting journey through the lush and vibrant jungle? Get ready to learn ABCD like never before. So our content is ready now. Now from this content, we will go for the next step. That is creating the voiceover. So in website, you will get lots of AI generated voiceover. So you can choose from any website. You can search in Google and you can find many AI generated voiceovers. Like some are Marv.ai, 11 Labs, then Narakit, but I'm going to use the free one. So these are also free, but at a certain time it gives you limited time or limited content generated. But the one I will show, it's totally free and you can use this technique for your content generation. So coming to this link, here you can see you can change the character for AI generation, but I'm creating a child content, so I will take the child here for the content voiceover. Now, just for this time saving, I'm taking the first content and then pasting it here. Now you can see you can convert this to MP3, but for this you need to upgrade the Plus membership. So how you can actually get this content for free, I will show you the technique. So first you need to go to your voice recorder from PC. So for Windows 10 we have a voice recorder here. All right, now here you need to turn on record and then you need to play this one, and in that time you have to be silent so that there is no other noise get inside that sound. So let's see. First we will click on this one record, we will start the record and we will play this one.
Are you ready to embark on a wild and exciting journey through the lush and vibrant jungle? Get ready to learn your ABCs like never before as we explore this magical world filled with incredible creatures and fascinating plants. Grab your explorer hat and let's dive into the jungle to discover the alphabet in a whole new way.
Okay, so our voice has been recorded. Now let's see.
Are you ready to embark on a wild and exciting journey through the lush and vibrant jungle? Get ready to learn your ABCs like never before as we explore.
Now we need to trim a little because at some point the audio was silent. So just go to this trim option and then you can actually trim it from where it started.
Are you ready?
So from here it started. Now let's save this one. So update original and our videos has been saved. Okay, now let's see where it is saved. So open file location. So this is our video. Now As this video's extension is .m4a, we have to convert this one to mp3 file. Otherwise, we cannot synchronize the voice with our character. So let's change this one to mp3. How we can do this? Just you need to go to your Google, then you can write like M4A to MP3 converter. Just write it in Google and you can find this. And after it's done, you can click download and your MP3 file has been downloaded. Okay. Now if you go and see, so we have the MP3 recording downloaded. Now what we need to do? Now we need to create the animated character. Okay. So to create the animated character, we will go to this link. So this is express.adobe.com. So this is the animated character generation from Adobe Express. Now here you will get lots of animated character from to choose from, and you can create your animated character. Okay. So for this, I'm choosing this one, this character, and be sure you remove the background. Okay, so that we will create a green screen background. So from here, I'm selecting the color and I'm selecting green color to remove the background so that it can easily remove the background. All right, now we have to choose the audio file. Now choose the audio file. So we will create our audio file we have that we have downloaded and then open this one. Now it will synchronize with the audio file and it will take some time. So it will generate now and it's generating and it will take some time to generate. And our generation is done. Now if you play and you can see.
Are you ready to embark on a wild and exciting journey through the lush and vibrant jungle?
So here you can see we have the video generated. Now we will select download, and for downloading you need to sign in. So let's click on sign in. You need to sign up. So if you are new, you need to sign up. So you can click on sign up and you can select Google account to log in. And we are signed in and our video is now downloading. So here you can see our recording has been downloaded. Okay. So here you can see our green screen recording has been downloaded. Now we have to create a adventurous background. So for that we can go to Canva and you can easily log into Canva. I'm already logged in here. So you can, if you don't have any Canva account, you can create an account and you can log in. So for this, I will use this background. So this is the background that I have. So I will use this background. I have uploaded this background from my PC. So you can use any type of background. Like here, you will get lots of background. So I will use this background and I will add some elements so that it looks more animated type. So let's say I will create animals at the background here. So here, if you go to elements and if you search and if you go to elements and search animals and then click on graphics, and here you will get lots of animals. So here you can get monkey. So I will add a monkey here. This background. So let's say I will flip this one. Flip. So I will add a monkey here. Then let's say adding a rabbit. In this part, I'm adding a rabbit. Then you can see there are more animated type like bird. So you can add a bird here. So say like there is bee also. So here you can see there is bee. I'm adding a bee here. So after this is done, and you can just duplicate this one from here so that you get a long, you get a 15-second. So let's make it more. So let's say I get 20 seconds of this video, and then you can go to share and you can download this one as the MP4 and select download. Now I'm downloading this one as an MP4. So our video has been downloaded. Here you can see this is the video. Okay, so here we have all the content. So we have the cartoon character with the voice, and also we have the scenery where we will put this cartoon character. Okay, so here you can see we have the background. All right, now what we will do, we will now gather all the things. For this, we will go to another link that is called CapCut. You can use Adobe software like Adobe Premiere Pro for this to edit. So as many of us may not know how to do video editing with Adobe Premiere Pro or anything, so CapCut is a very good tool. So you have to click on sign in, and then if you don't have any account, you need to create an account, but I already have a CapCut account, so I'm signing in. And then you have to click create. So here will create new. So here we will create a new scene, and it will be 16:9. That is the video ratio, YouTube video ratio 16:9. And then we will click and upload the scenery first. So click here to upload the scenery, and this is the scenery we are using. Okay, so this is the scenery that we are going to use. Okay, now we will again upload the cartoon character. So here, this is the cartoon character. So the cartoon character is uploading. So it is uploaded. Now here you can use any green screen remover video software to remove the green screen from this cartoon character. So I'm using CapCut as it is free. So you can use other video editing tools to remove the chroma key. Now here, this is the video. So here you will see there is an option cutout. So I will click on this cutout and just open this one. Okay, just I'm on clicking on this one, and now it will cut out the shape of this character from the green screen. So see, our background has been cut out. All right, now let's play this one and let's see. Here you can duplicate this one, right click, copy, right click, paste. So here you can actually duplicate this for a better, for long term. So here I'm keeping with this one. Okay, so here this is ready. Now we will just export this one and just export it for recommendation. So let's say 720p for now, so that it export quickly. So see, our video has been export. Now we will download this one. So click on download, and the video is now downloading. So here is our video downloaded. Now let's open this one and let's open the video.
Are you ready to embark on a wild and exciting journey through the lush and vibrant jungle? Get ready to learn your ABCs like never before as we explore this magical world filled with incredible creatures and fascinating plants. Grab your explorer hat and let's dive into the jungle to discover the alphabet in a whole new way.
So hope you enjoyed this video. It's very easy, right? To create an animated character like this. So if you don't want to miss more videos like this in future, do subscribe the channel and be with this channel. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.